Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm back with another 4 outfits for the summertime. You guys know the drill by now. I pick out different things that I've either been wanting to style, or newer pieces that I picked up, or pieces that I've just seen in my wardrobe, you know what I mean. And we're gonna style them. I have 2 skirts, a pair of jeans, and some linen pants. That's what I'm going to be styling today. Well, obviously tops, but I'm excited. So let's start off with look number 1. I'm actually gonna be doing my bubble skirt, which I style, I feel like, quite a bit because I'm in love with this thing. So let's put this on, and then I'm gonna pair it with this little guy. This is a little like linen tube top that I got from Quince, and I love it. So if you guys have not seen my recent Quince haul, I'm going to throw it up in the cards, but I'm gonna pop this on and then we will accessorize. The clouds are like kind of crazy today, so I've like have a vlog uploading because I haven't uploaded a vlog in like a week. I've been really bad, but it like failed halfway through the upload, so I'm like, oh, that's cool. So yeah, let's just waste another hour of my life waiting for it to upload. This is a look. She's a look. All right, let's put on this little tube. This tube top is so cute, and I'm not a tube top girl, like, at all. This is freaking cute. I feel like I could style this so many different ways. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a cinching back here, but I kind of wanted to do it where it looks like a drop waist kind of thing. I was thinking of doing it like, let's see, let's play around a little bit and see what we think. I was gonna just do like a simple sandal, which could be really cute. Or, you know, it would be also really cute. This is so Americano. Americano. I recently picked up this little red Polo Ralph Lauren. So this is definitely a more like casual way to wear it, which I actually love. Oh, let me see. I'll probably pair it with this bag because this is also navy. It's giving very like 4th of July, but in the best way possible. I think this would also look really cute with sneakers as well. I love this, you guys. Okay, I didn't expect to go with a hat with this, but I think it turned out really cute. Okay, I like this. I had one more other option in mind, so let me do that really quick, and then we will be done with this outfit. But I love how this turned out. So cute. I love headbands because I hate my hair and my face. Like, I like the look of it in theory, but I hate my hair and my face. What do we think of this option? I think this is really cute as well. I love the little blue. So, all right. And I would just, yeah, pair it with sandals probably. You could also pair it with sneakers, obviously, or flats or whatever, but I was kind of thinking these little sandals, so. Look 1.5. All right, let's move on to look number 2. For look number 2, I hate when my closet door doesn't close all the way. Ow! It is like a windstorm outside right now, you guys. It's so freaking windy. I wanted to take a walk this morning, and I was like, absolutely not. So I actually bought this skirt from Mexico and then never wore it, but I have to style it, so let's do it. Oh, I messed up my eyebrow. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna go. I was thinking of just doing a little tuck. This is maybe too short. I might have to go back to the drawing board with this outfit. I don't know if it's really giving me what I need it to give right now. Moving right along, I wanted to style my balloon pants, barrel jeans, whatever you call them, in a more like, I don't know, fancier kind of way. So my thought process with that was to pair it with like a little boat neck top like this and kind of dress it up a little bit. So let's see if that works, shall we? I got this little top from Rio Haas. I did a haul with them a while ago, but I really love this top. It's kind of got like a texture to it. I probably would wear like a normal bra with it and not just like a bralette. But that's what I have on right now. My thought process was to dress it up with like a belt. Not, and I don't mean like dress it up, but I feel like I normally wear these like kind of a bit more casual, where I think that like just adding some like a belt and like a more classic top is kind of a cute way to style these. I love these jeans so much, but I was just gonna pair them with sandals because at the end of the day, still comfortable. But I think this is a super cute outfit. I'm kind of here for it. And I would probably pair it with, I think this is cute. I like the structure on the shoulder and the high neck of it, and I think it really balances the jeans. Yes, I think this is a win. I like how I styled these. This is cute. Very like, I feel like you need more of like a tighter top when you're styling these. Not necessarily, but I feel like it does look better, so. Okay, so for this next outfit, I'm going to change into black linen pants because we know I'm trying to wear my black linen pants more, and a little denim top. I think it's gonna be really cute. So let's put that together and accessorize. I'm super excited. I've convinced Scott that we're gonna go pick some strawberries this weekend, and I'm just really excited about it. But I want to make strawberry shortcake. My mom used to always make strawberry shortcake when I was growing up. That was like the summer dessert. If we had dessert, we very rarely had dessert because my mom was like, we have fruit for dessert. Excuse me, Mom, that's not dessert. It's delicious, but not dessert, okay? So let's stop calling it dessert. Anyway, this is how I envisioned this. Super cute. And I wanted to do more casual with my baseball cap, honestly, is what I was thinking. So let's see. I like the look of that. Ooh. What is going on with this neck back here? What's she doing? What is she doing? I like this hat too because it covers my ears. Are you an ear out kind of hat girl or an ear under? I'm an ear under, even though I don't think that I have like big ears or anything like that. I just prefer it. Cute. Cute. Okay. For shoes, I was thinking black sandals. Just like a classic black flippy. You could always do sneakers, and I was thinking either my Sambas or just like a classic black flippy. A bold sandal would look cute with this as well, but I think because the legs are so wide, this works. I like this a lot. I like it a lot. You can probably pair cute. Let's put on a sunglass. Oh my gosh, so Scott this morning could not find his keys and was like running really late and was like freaking out. And I was like, sir, I need you to chill down first, foremost. Second of all, I closed his door and so it locked. And he had a 9 o'clock meeting and I was like, okay, but let's remember that this is not my fault. It's actually yours because, I don't know, you can never remember where you put your keys. Like, am I the only person who puts my keys in the exact same spot and wallet in the exact same spot, so if it's not there, I know. I know where that is lost. I know exactly where it is, though, if I'm looking for it. Yes, I love this. I love that I grabbed this red hat. Adds so much. Small accessory can just do a world of difference. Let's grab another outfit since that one outfit was a flop. Okay, I think I picked a winner. So let's put it together, shall we? So I'm thinking instead of linen pants, we're gonna swap out silence for some striped little pinky shorts. Best trend in the world. Okay, I need to put a bra back on and then put on a little denim button up, a little light denim shirt, which again needs to be ironed. So sorry, I did not expect to just off the cuff do this outfit, but I think it's gonna work and look really cute together. And I'm probably gonna wear it for the rest of the day. We're going to watch the Mavs game tonight at like a bar, well, like a restaurant bar, but I'm probably only gonna watch like a small percentage of it because I'm gonna come back with Arlo. Scott's gonna stay out with one of his work buddies and finish watching the game. But I'm still excited to watch it nonetheless. This will probably be what I wear though, because, well, I don't know. I feel like I don't feel like changing probably. What shoes do I want to wear though? I feel like just classic Samba. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's put on, oh, we can tie in the pink with the pink with the pink. I think our Samba, I was gonna go blue, but then I was like, that's a little too matchy-matchy, especially with these pink bows, but pink bows I could probably do without, but no, I'm not gonna do without, so. Not gonna. I don't have any Mavs gear. I think Arla does. I have to dig through his closet to see if I can find his Luka Doncic, whatever, jersey or like t-shirt. I feel like I got him one, but he might have outgrown it, so I'm not sure. Oh, but he already spilt like syrup and milk on himself. This morning I took him to McDonald's because he missed breakfast. And he's never had McDonald's breakfast, so I took him to get pancakes because I knew he'd eat them, and then he spilt his milk all over his shorts and his shirt, and I was like, well, sorry, but that's what you're gonna wear for the rest of the day. Anyway, I think this turned out cute. I like it. This is what I'm gonna wear for the rest of the day. Ding, ding, ding. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap up my 4 outfits, 1 fail. But you know what? It's just a process. I hope you guys enjoyed. Find these fun, helpful. Let me know, as always, what your favorite one was down below. I'll have everything that I mentioned / showed, if it's available still, in the description box if you're curious to check anything out. Love you guys. See you in my next one.